Now move on to question number 2. On comparing the ratios A1 by A2, B1 by B2 and C1 by C2, find out whether the lines representing the following pairs of linear equations intersect at a point, are parallel or coincident. So, in my previous videos already I have explained in what condition the lines will be intersecting or intersect at a point, or they are parallel or they are coincident. Recall it. Again, I am also writing the general form and the conditions. Let us see, we know A1 x1 plus B1 y1 plus C1 is equal to 0. One equation. Now A2 x2 plus B2 y2 plus C2 is equal to 0. These are pair of linear equations in two variables. Now here, what is A, B, C? You know A1, B1, C1, A2, B2, C2. Already explained. Recall it. Now conditions. You know, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2, not equal to B1 by B2, is not equal to C1 by C2, then intersect at a point. Okay. So here this thing is not written. Only if this find out, then also it's okay. Second, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, then you are parallel. Third one, if A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then coincident. You know all these things, you know in the conceptual part. Recall it again and again before you are going to solve this. So here, this is your equation 1. What is given in equation 1? 5x minus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. What is given in equation 2? 7x plus 6y minus 9 is equal to 0. So now, from the first equation, if tally is to this one is to this one. By comparing with A1 x1, B1 y1 and C1, A2 x2, B2 y2 and C2, what we will get here? A1 is equal to 5, B1 is equal to minus 4, C1 is equal to 8, A2 is equal to 7, here B2 is equal to 6, C2 is equal to minus 9. Now find A1 by A2 is equal to 5 by 7, B1 by B2 is equal to minus 4 by 6 is equal to minus 2 by 3, C1 by C2 is equal to 8 by minus 9 is equal to minus 8 by 9. Okay. Now here A1 by A2 5 by 7, B1 by B2 minus 2 by 3, C1 by C2 minus 8 by 9. So A1 by A2 is not equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2. Hence pair of linear equation, hence the pair of linear equations will intersect at a point. point intersecting lines. Now move on to bit double I. In the bit I already I have told you general form a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0, a2 x2 plus b2 y2 plus c2 is equal to 0. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2, intersecting. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 not equal to c1 by c2, parallel. a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, coincident. Recall it again and again. I am telling, recall it. Okay. Now we are given 9x plus 3y plus 12 is equal to 0. Equation 1. 18x plus 6y plus 24. Equation 2. Simply here I see one thing. See 9x, 18x double of it. 3y, 6y double of it. 12, 24 double of it. That means this is a equivalent equation. Gets multiplied by 2. Equation 1 multiplication with 2 gives equation 2. Okay. So now here comparing with this one and this one, we will get here a1 is equal to 9, b1 is equal to 3, c1 is equal to 12, and a2 is equal to 18, b2 is equal to 6, c2 is equal to 24. So a1 by a2 is equal to 9 by 18 is equal to 1 by 2. b1 by b2 is equal to 3 by 6 is equal to 1 by 2, c1 by c2 is equal to 12 by 24 is equal to 1 by 2. Here a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So the given pair of equations are coincident. So we know one thing, again I am recalling you. Coincident means consistent and dependent. It has infinitely many solutions in common. Intersecting, it has one and only one solution in common. Parallel, what happened? No common solutions in common. Okay, now I think you clearly understand this. Now move on to bit triple I. Already you know general form, conditions for the lines to intersect at a point, parallel and coincident. Again and again I am telling, recall it from the conceptual part. Already it was there. So now we have given two equations. 6x minus 3y plus 10 is equal to 0. Equation 1. Now 2x minus y plus 9 is equal to 0. Equation 2. We will compare with first one. a1 x1 plus b1 y1 plus c1 is equal to 0. Second one, a2 x2 plus b2 y2 plus c2 is equal to 0. So what value we are getting for a1? a1 is equal to 6. b1 is equal to minus 3. c1 is equal to 10. Now a2 is equal to 2. b2 is equal to minus 1. And c2 is equal to 9. Now a1 by a2 is equal to 6 by 2 is equal to 3. b1 by b2 is equal to minus 3 by minus 1 is equal to 3. And c1 by c2 is equal to 10 by 9. So a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. Which condition satisfied? That is parallel. Hence the given pair of equations are parallel. We know when the lines are parallel, it has no common solutions. So again and again I am telling you, you just memorize the condition. a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2 intersecting. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2, then coincident. A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is not equal to C1 by C2, parallel. Keep it in mind. And which are coincident and which are parallel, which are intersecting, these questions are coming in the examinations. So for the examination point of view, these are also important.